often, like once a month. Yeah, I know, get mad at me. Yes, you should deep clean the things that you use once a month. Because if you take care of the things that take care of you, they'll last you a very long time. And this stuff could really be expensive. I loosened all the screws, took out the roller, unclogged it, and wiped it all down with Clorox and Tiva. Usually, I would submerge the whole thing, except for the motor, in disinfectant and water. But they gotta use it today, so I can't do all of that. But look at her now. Brand spanking new. Now be honest, how often do you clean your vacuum cleaner, and do you actually even like deep clean it, or do you just replace it? Because like I said, these things are expensive. Like this vacuum cleaner here was over $300. And don't even get me started on the Tinkos.